How's it going here, future voters of Sean Gannon, future President of the United States of America, and we got another beer review. We're here with the Evolution Craft Brewing Company, their Exile Red Ale. Okay, now let's go open that up. Let's see what this red ale tastes like, and we'll talk about it online here. All right, nice pour, like the ruby color to it, hence the red ale. All right, what do we got? Well, online, ooh, I like that color. Look at that. Beautiful looking beer. Online, they tell us that it's an ABV is 5.9%, IBUs 48. Inspired by the pale ales of England, this beer is red in color, assertively hopped, but well balanced. Fruity and aromatic, generously dry hopped with Cascade and East Kent Goldings. Pairs well with steak, lamb, burgers, fish, and chips and cheese. All right, smell test. Oh, it does smell like a red ale right off the bat. Am I getting that fruity aromatic? Fruity and aromatic. A little bit. And the smell, I guess that's what I'm getting here. That's weird, it doesn't smell malty. Well, has a little malt to it, nice malt. The dry hops, can't really tell. It's not too hoppy, but then again, my standard for hoppiness is like IPAs and double IPAs. So maybe that's what I'm getting at here. I don't know if I could taste the Cascade malt hops in here, but it has some, but again, not supposed to be that hoppy of a beer. I don't know what East Kent Goldings tastes like. What I'm looking for here, but anyway, it's a basic red ale. Nothing really to brag about, unless you really like red ales, but it kind of tastes just like all the red ales I've had before. Standard. Some will be maltier than others. This one isn't too malty, but it almost comes out flat tasting afterwards. It kind of lingers on your palate there. Either way, not my favorite one of their beers, but it's not bad. I can see why they say it goes well with burgers, fish and chips, hence England. One right there. But yeah, I drink it, but it's not my favorite, not the worst. I wouldn't go pay for it at a restaurant, I can tell you that much. So, at their prices. So, I'm going to give this a final score. I guess I'll go 3 out of 5. It's a decent red ale. I've had better red ales. I've had worse red ales. But 3 out of 5 is a decent score for this. For what it is, you might like it if you're a red ale person. So either way, I'm done with this beer. Well, I'm going to finish it off camera. And I'll see you next time on my next pour. This is Sean Gannon here, signing off.